Affiliate Millionaire Review. Hey, it's Mark here, and in today's session, we're just going to go quickly over the mindset training module in the Affiliate Millionaire package by Thomas Owen. So let's get right in here. So this is inside the members area. Click the view preview. Anyway, mindset, and here Thomas starts off with some crucial millionaire mindset training. It's really going to help ensure you set yourself up for long-term success with this model, with this business model. And it covers, as you can see here, it covers 6 main areas. And these are areas where people in this business fail a lot, actually. And so Thomas gives you the tools to help succeed. So yeah, that's this area. Now, one thing to be aware of is this module 6 here, or this section 6. When you're inside, I'm not going to click in because that gives more detail away. But actually, it doesn't show too much. So inside the module here, you'll see that number 6 is missing at the time of this recording. Anyway, I did share this with the team, and hopefully they have that fixed up. But just so that you're aware, if you're in here doing the mindset stuff, there is that extra one about diversifying. It's just not in the list there. Anyway, hope that helps, and yeah, have a great day. If you're looking at the Affiliate Millionaire package, make sure you get it with my bonuses that help you through it. I found a couple of cons with the program and built a bonus package around complementing the program. So yeah, anyway, check it out in the link below. Have a great day.